all of you. In my new video today I'm gonna share you how to download Power Director Mode APK. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, then you have to search Power Director Mode APK, and then you will get this link APK 10 nm module. I will suggest you to open second link because first one I don't like it, but the second one I like it a lot. So click on it, and then you will see here icon. So click on download and close it, and then select the version that you want to download. So I'm gonna download this version, and you can see my download has been started. It is just that simple. It is downloaded. Wait for until it is downloaded. When it's downloaded, so once it's downloaded, so just install it and you will ready to go.